Welcome back. We have a very exciting episode today regarding Bitcoin and cryptocurrency adoption on a global scale. And yes, Ukraine just legalized Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, while supposedly the United States is going to be doing a lot more restricting, and of course is going after El Salvador. Let's go ahead and take a look at these stories, babes. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, set alerts. This story here is from Watcher News, and you can find it all over the internet. Ukraine legalizes Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Down over here, the law, which was voted in mostly favor, grants legal status to virtual assets. The law is not only grants users the right to operate cryptocurrencies, but also defines the clear rights and duties of all market participants. I highly recommend you guys do further research on this. It's always important to fact check me. But this is great that this is happening. And it's very interesting that Ukraine is taking this step considering all of the insanity happening in global markets and in global news. And this tweet was also just posted on crypto Twitter. Let's take a look. This reporter from Yahoo, Jennifer, tweeted, President Biden will issue a wide-ranging executive order on regulating crypto next week. Among the deets, the order will commission a study of a CBDC and ask Treasury along with other agencies to come up with a report on the future of money and payment systems. More coming. So this is a Yahoo reporter, but at the same time, I want to know where they're getting this information from. And it's very interesting that these people in the mentions don't necessarily understand that, because when I look at articles, I don't just regurgitate the information. I actually read through these and I look at a couple different sources. So I'm glad that she is responding and talking about this, but at the same time, I want to see where this came from in the government. Who said it? Because a lot of this stuff could potentially be rumors. But let's go ahead and take a look at our next story. President Nayib Bukele, president of El Salvador, tweeted this. This was insane yesterday. I posted a TikTok on it. Okay, boomers, you have zero jurisdiction on a sovereign and independent nation. We are not your colony, your backyard, or your front yard. Stay out of our internal affairs. Do not try to control something you can't control. And this came from a statement from the United States Senate Committee on Foreign Relations. And in relation to this tweet here, I just want to see where it states from the government that they are planning on doing this, because we've heard these types of rumors so many times, but I want to verify what is happening. Yahoo Finance will probably blacklist me now. Oh, well, I don't care. I say what I got to say. But let's go ahead and read this here. So, basically, these people have stated El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender raises significant concerns about the economic stability and financial integrity of a vulnerable U.S. trading partner in Central America. This new policy has the potential to weaken U.S. sanctions policies, empower malign actors like China and organized criminal organizations. Our bipartisan legislation seeks greater clarity on El Salvador's policy and requires the administration to mitigate potential risks to the U.S. financial system. Lot to unpack here in a short period of time. So basically the United States is saying, no, El Salvador, you can't do this. And if you are going to do it, which you're kind of already doing it, we need kind of like a statement. We need a report letting us know how you're planning on doing it, which I think El Salvador had already supplied that. But at the same time, the United States is literally coming after El Salvador and their president for trying to build a greater future for its people. The integration of Bitcoin as legal tender to El Salvador is going to be a very complex thing to do. But at the same time, I do support the president in his initiative to try to make a better place for his people, because unlike the United States is literally printing money like nobody's business. They're manipulating job reports. They're manipulating all these important pieces of data to make themselves look good, especially this current administration. And again, just because I say this current administration doesn't mean I'm for this side or for that side. I'm just saying what I see. So the United States is a potential risk in my personal opinion. And honestly, why are they so intimidated by what El Salvador is doing? I'm not understanding that. Unless Bitcoin is maybe possibly like a real like threat to like what's happening. I don't know, because there's a finite supply, because the people can actually control their keys. I don't know. But at the same time, it's very interesting to kind of know. And I'm actually happy that the president of El Salvador is speaking out. And more importantly, I think before some people sit and judge what the folks of El Salvador are doing, the president is doing, they need to kind of understand El Salvadorian culture and Latino culture and kind of see where this is coming from also. Because a lot of people will sit on crypto Twitter out the side of of their mouse, but they're not really understanding that type of culture. So I think it's very interesting. Nonetheless, I do support Bitcoin as legal tender. I think the United States should consider following suit. As far as our CBDC goes, the CBDC is going to make everything immensely transparent to what the United States government is doing, and that's why they have prolonged it so long. But let's talk about our next story. Our next story is in regards to our partners over at Chingari, which is the Indian version of TikTok, which I absolutely love because TikTok is such a great platform to go ahead and push content out. But this story here, Chingari integrates native token to advance Web3 social networking. The 100 million Indian social network successfully deployed a beta testnet of the Gari token in preparation for its mainnet release. This is really exciting, and this platform also launched in 2018, but now is incorporating cryptocurrency. I really think that we're going to see a lot of great things coming out of this platform. And again, I really want to get on it and reach a broader, wide range audience. I think that is absolutely amazing. And I love to see folks be able to create content, especially in different places. And on top of it, be able to integrate cryptocurrency into their daily lives, because Chingari just isn't a crypto platform. You're able to create videos like TikTok, social media posts, all those really cool things, but viewers get to earn money for watching things and creators get to earn money too. So it's a win-win. And who doesn't want to earn money relaxing at home, scrolling through social media and absorbing new content and learning new things? Speaking about what is happening in the world, last night there was a viral tweet that went crazy. This was from James Melville. What the hell is happening to Canada's banks right now? And basically what it is showing different outages in the last 24 hours. And people are saying, oh my God, it's a bank run, it's a bank run. I talked to a couple people in Canada and they're saying that there's not a bank run happening, but at the same time, there's a lot of economic uncertainty happening in Canada because of all the things happening with the truckers. Again, when it comes to those truckers, I think people should be able to do what they want to do. There should be freedoms placed on them so that they can just live as human beings. Just because you don't agree with what somebody is doing doesn't make what they're doing wrong. And people should be able to have access to their money regardless of their personal beliefs. That's what Bitcoin was created for. And if you disagree with that, go back and read Satoshi's white paper. Again, I don't condone any violence or any of that type of stuff, but at the same time, people need to be free. I think that monetary, being able to hold your own money is a human right, just like healthcare is a human right. So was there a bank run that happened in Canada? I have no idea. Was there outages? Possibly. Did somebody shut that circuit breaker down? Maybe. But at the same time, be very careful what sources you believe. Let's go ahead and cover this right here. Interchain accounts is the biggest upgrade to Cosmos since Stargate. We're going to talk about Atom because I think Atom's got a lot of really great potential. I'm going to go ahead and chart it for you, and I will chart Bitcoin for you. But I do have a small bag of Atom Cosmos just to go ahead and be transparent. But basically, the protocols would enable nearly all aspects of data sharing between blockchain protocols such as Oracle data, governance, voting, etc. And this is going to be done through Interchain. So this has caused a positive price movement for Cosmos. Let's take a look at the chart. This is the Cosmos chart, and we had a beautiful run up to the EMA 50 at approximately $30 from this area here at $29. So we had a little bit of a nice pump, but the markets still aren't doing too terribly great. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin right now as we're losing $42,000 support. So I think that this was the pump for Cosmos Atoms. Unless we're able to kind of close above $30, $31, then great. But at the same time, it looks like their buyers and sellers are kind of fighting and didn't think that Atom should be worth or be trading at that price here on the daily chart. Taking a look at our 12-hour chart, it looks like we got some downward price action on the RSI. Taking a look at MACD, we're getting ready to bear cross and head down. So when it comes to Cosmos Atom, we're able to go ahead and break out of the $28 area. We had a nice run up to the EMA 200. We're rejected. If we lose $28, we will kind of range between $25 and $28 here. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart really quickly, it does look like we are going to retest and potentially lose support, so just be careful trading Atom Cosmos right now. I do believe it is a very great project, but at the same time, with Bitcoin being bearish, as you can see on this chart here, we just actually broke through support and are dropping. We even broke my $41,000 target area. We will probably retest $39 unless we're able to magically reclaim $42,000. On the daily chart really quickly, it doesn't look good any way, shape, or form. We are massively correcting, and we're below the EMA 30, the EMA 21. So again, we will probably continue to dip, and I would anticipate a move down to $39,000 unless we get a positive reversal here. And our last story that we need to talk about. Snoop Dogg plans to turn Death Row Records into the first NFT music label. And I think that they will be working with Gala on this matter. As most of you know, Snoop Dogg was able to essentially get back control of Death Row Records. It was sold. There was all this crazy drama happening. But this is really, really, really amazing. This is bullish for the metaverse. And we're going to see a lot more musicians, artists, performers, creators utilize NFTs to get their power back, to hold on to their licensing agreement. So I support this 100%, and big shout out to Snoop Dogg here. One thing I will say in this article here, it doesn't necessarily confirm that they're gonna be super working with Gala Games, but they did release an NFT collection regarding this. So let's hope that they are in close partnership with Gala Games, heavily invested with that, and I think would be absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts. Also, my hair is super crazy because I just washed it. I have to go do a podcast down in LA later. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. I will catch you. I think I'm doing 2 lives tomorrow. I don't even know, but I will be around. Love ya. Bye-bye.